All right, Howard Dinitz here. Well, today's rendition is how to qualify for a home loan. Many people are thinking about buying a house today, and now's the time. And it's easy to qualify for a loan here in Hawaii if you come prepared. It may take a few days to get all your stuff together, but without them, it's going to be probably impossible to get a loan. Plus, if you haven't owned a home or a condo in the last 3 years, our brother, the dude from Hawaii, President Obama's got a deal for you. What, you ask? An $8,000 tax credit if you buy a home, but you gotta close before November 30th this year, 2009. So, call Howard Dennett, your real estate agent, at 808-874-0600. Let's go shopping and let's get a house and get you 8,000 bucks. As Grandma always said, hard work pays off. So make sure you have all the necessary items organized and easily accessible in one folder. In general, this is what you're going to need: your incomes and your assets, pay stubs for the last 60 days. You're going to need to have your W-2s from your employer from the last 2 years. Copies of, you have some investment accounts or savings accounts. You're going to need your last 3 months. And then, if you have any personal property, furniture, cars, etc., estimated value. Okay, if a deposit that's going to be pretty large, that's not your money, going to be a gift, well, you're going to need a letter stating that it is a gift that you can give to the lender. If you own your own company or corporation, something like that, you're going to need partnership tax returns. If you're self-employed, you're going to need tax returns for the last 3 years, and you're going to need a profit and loss statement of what's going on this year. Let's see. Some people are retired, so you're going to need your pension award. If you're on Social Security, you're going to need your Social Security award letter and the amount. If you're getting child support and you're going to use that as income, well, you're going to need a copy of your divorce settlement, a copy of your 12 months canceled child support checks. And then they're going to want to know stuff like debts, whatever your balances of your credit cards, basically, and, anything you're paying monthly. And then any explanations if you had some late payments or, credit inquiries. Maybe you've been trying to get a loan and you got 3 inquiries. Other things that you may want to bring up with your lender: bankruptcy. If you filed in the last 7 years, bring a copy of that bankruptcy. VA, you're going to need that DD form. It's 214. You can get it online. What else are you going to need? Here are other things you're going to need: your ID, driver's license, social security number. You're going to need a residence address that you've been living at for the last 2 years, or at least residence addresses for the last 2 years. Once again, if you're divorced, divorce decree, and if you're not a citizen, you're going to need a copy of the front and the back of your green card. Okay, you're prepared. Take those items that Howard just told you about and bring them and go get approved. And then, once approved, call me, Howard Dinitz, your real estate agent, and I'll help you on the Big Island or Maui find you a house as soon as we know your budget. And then we're going to go ahead and get you that $8,000 credit, because you and I are going to find a house and get you in it before November 30th. Okay, so give me a call, 877-434-6487. Want to check out some houses yourself? BigIslandRealEstate.com. And here in Maui, not a problem. EasyMauiRealEstate.com. You're not going to believe it. Houses for $300,000 in Kihei. Condos in Maui starting at under $50,000. Give me a call. Howard Dinich, your real estate agent.